Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see about economic load dispatch by using Sparrow Search Algorithm. So this is the latest search optimization. You can see the working of Sparrow Search optimization in this paper. This paper is published in the System Science and Control Engineering, and publisher is Tyler and Francis. So just go to refer this paper. This paper having that flow chart and the working of that Sparrow Search algorithm. Here we are going to use this Sparrow Search algorithm for optimize the power of the 3 generator for supplying the power to the demand for 24 hours. So here you can see here this is the code for that Sparrow Search optimization for economic load dispatch. Here you can see that we have the 24 hours demand, and then this is the data of the 3 generator, that means fuel cost coefficient. Here we are going to pass the each load demand, and then you have to optimize the power generation of 3 generator or 3 power plant, and then here we need to provide the lower upper bound for the power generation of 3 generators, and then here you have to provide number of search agents and then maximum number of iteration, and then you have to call the function details. Here you need to call that function details. That mean here you need to call that function detail in order to get the objective function only. That mean you have to find out the fuel cost. We need to find out the fuel cost. That fuel cost need to be minimized. We need to supply the power optimally. For that you need to find out that fuel cost. That fuel cost need to be optimized effectively. This objective function going to be taken from this get function details. So once this code is executed, Sparrow Search optimization, this will be start executing this code. This is the code for a Sparrow Search algorithm. This Sparrow Search algorithm will start optimizing the power generation of the 3 generator in order to provide the better fuel cost. That means it going to minimize the fuel cost. And after that, here we are going to putting that the objective function value with respect to iteration, and then finally we are calculating the power generation, sum of power generation and power loss and the objective function value, and then you have to display the result of the power generation for different timing. I am going to execute this one. Next you can, here I need to execute the code. First it's passing that power generation, and then it will be optimizing the generation of power with the minimum fuel cost. This result consists of power generation, sum of power generation, power loss and the final fuel cost for the particular load demand. Here you can see here it optimizing a different time, that means load demand at a different timing. Here we are provided a load demand for 24 hours. Finally you will get this result after completion of all optimization. That means here the completion optimization is going to be completed here. Here you can see the details here. This is the final result stored after optimization by Sparrow Search optimization algorithm. The first column is hours, so first hour to 24 hours. Second column is the load demand, and 3, 4, 5 is nothing but the power generation of the 3 power plant or 3 generator. This is a sum of power generation from the 3 generator. This is a power loss, and then this is the sum of fuel cost and power loss. So here you can see the demand is 215. That is the power generation of the different 3 power plant, and then sum will be 250. You can see that it's a demand, and then this is actual power generation from the 3 generator, and then you can see that the power loss. Power loss you can see that is have very minimum value. So that means the Sparrow Search algorithm effectively optimize the power generation of 3 generator with the minimum fuel cost. So this is a minimum fuel cost detail of that each hour, and also you can see the graph here also. For each hour you can get the optimized graph, that mean objective function with respect to iteration, you can see here. So this is working out Sparrow search algorithm for optimizing the power generation of 3 generator for supplying the power with the minimum fuel cost, like economic load dispatch concept. Thank you for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.